Good afternoon, Professor. Today, we are going to explain about how technology is changing the future of higher education. The exhibitors are Leslie Daza Reyes, Jan Morales Alcántara, Brian Pérez Tantaquispe, and me, Blanca Altamirano Coles. Could you change? Okay, thank you. First, we are going to talk about design thinking. The step one, empathize. Number one, implement software to develop a virtual classroom where students can find live reading material that will help to improve the way of schooling. Number two, implement platforms for people with hearing and vocal disabilities to develop classes through professionals of different occupations who use sign language. Number three, implement additional specialization courses for various degrees. For instance, finance softwares, artificial intelligence, R, Python, among others. Number four, develop an application that allows you to have job interviews in real time. And number five, train teachers on the topic of the new digitalization era. Step two, define. The problems identified on the Peruvian higher education would be: first, the bureaucracy problems are related to the implementation of courses at the university. Number two, people over 50s struggle with the adaptation of the new digital era. And the last one, software development deficit. The step number three, ideate the possible solutions to carry out the idea school are: first, create a plan of private classes for professors who don't have preliminaries or any basic knowledge about the digitalization era. Number two, promote the development of technology at the higher education level. Number three, reduce the procedures for implementing new higher education courses. Number four, develop applications for the location of teachers within the campus. Number five, implement drones to identify problems within the campus. And the last one, implement virtual reality for theory classes. As the final steps, step number 4 and 5, prototype and test. The idea is the creation of an application for the location of teachers within the campus. First, we have to develop and create the application to search for teachers within the campus. Then we are going to test the application with a population of 10 teachers. The third step that we're going to do is implement antennas that will help for developing the application only within the campus. And finally, the application will be deactivated when the teacher is out of the area of campus. Now we are going to explain, or well, I'm going to explain the last two questions. Question number 6 and number 7. Okay, about question number 6. What are the issues with traditional academic transcripts? How is the interoperable learning record trying to address them? Well, the traditional academic transcripts only allow students to show the courses that they took as university students or some previous experience that they gained. The truth is that when students confront the real world, employers are looking for different profiles. So it's necessary to boost skills and give to students extra tools to affront the real world. The interoperable learning record will list the specific students' skills to change the game rules for the employer and what they are looking for in employees. That will bring them closer according to the requested characteristics in the market. Now, question number 7, and the last one. Which of the innovations mentioned in the article are most intriguing to you? Why? Could you see potential challenge with adopting any of them? Well, definitely. Your teacher is a robot because it's a great idea. A virtual assistant will work at programming with extensive knowledge. Would be a great support tool for any student, even for any human being, to reach a possible point where they can be a doctor or a psychologist. In my opinion, it will make our world a better place. Generation Z is growing up completely different from past generations. So it's a technology generation that is why the main challenge will not be that they can be adapted, because that may be natural. The big challenge will come more than everything in past generations, which people are really less adaptable to change. That's all. Thank you.